In this quick guide, we're going to see how we can find an object that we have in our scene, and just by selecting it and find it into the outliner. So we know that when we have really complex scene like this, it's really difficult to keep everything organized and to manage everything. But usually when sometimes you need to work on an object and you want to see it here in the outliner, it's a little bit long because, for example, here, if I select this table or this furniture, you can see that I don't really know what it is. I need to look for it. So especially if I have a long list of objects here that haven't been grouped together into collections or not organized at all. So like if the management part here is completely missing, it's going to be really hard. It's going to be long and you're going to waste time. Now, when you select an object on the scene, you can see here that it usually will be highlighted. So if it's in a collection, you're going to see that part highlighted. So if I expand the collection, so the collection will be just the starting point to be faster and improve your organization and management. So you can see here that when it's in a collection, it's going to be highlighted right here, and when I open up the collection, then I need to find it, and it's going to be, of course, highlighted and really visible. But what happens if this is not the case? I don't have any collection and everything is a bit of a mess. Well, the quick fix to this, the quick tip, is to select the object and use this tool right here that I'm going to show you. When you use it in the viewport, when you use it in the scene, it's going to select and frame the selected object into the scene. So if you go to view here and use frame selected, which is numpad dot or point, now that's the shortcut key. And this is what it's going to do here in the scene. And the same thing, it will do it here in the outliner panel. So you just go in the outliner panel, make sure that you non-select anything. So just click in an empty part of the outliner panel and then press again the numpad point or dot as you want to call it, and there you're gonna go. It's gonna frame that particular object inside the outliner, inside all the other objects that you have in the scene. So this is a really fast, probably the fastest way to find or spot a selected object that in the scene here that you have selected here also in the outliner. And it's really handy because, again, when you have really big scenes, I think this is a really important feature. And I guess that there is no like a button here or menu or tool that can help us to do this as quick as we did. So probably in the future they will add more features here also in the outliner, which is a really important tool. It's for managing your scene. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel and stay updated also for other video guides on Blender and other 3D software and 2D software, graphic design. And we have a lot of different video guides and video courses in the channel that you may want to have a look at. And also you will find a Blender video course in the channel as well. And also, if you want to give us a little thank you, you can support the channel by joining as a supporter. So thanks for watching and see you in the next.